Good morning, students. Today I will teach you the different process to separate the components of a mixture. First of all, why there is need to separate the components of a mixture? There are two types of substance: desirable substance and undesirable substance. Desirable substance are such substances which are useful to us, and undesirable substance is such substances which is not of our use. So we have to separate the mixture to get the desirable thing. And now there are so many physical processes to separate the components of a mixture. Now sedimentation process, decantation process, filtration process, sieving process, sublimation process, winnowing process, magnetic separation process, distillation process, separating funnel, and there are so many processes to separate the mixture. So according to the components of the mixture, we have to separate the substances, separate the mixture. First, let's suppose that the pebbles are mixed in the rice and that have the different color and it is less in number. So we will separate it by hand picking process. चावल में अगर कंकड़ मिल गया है और उसका नंबर कम है और देखने में अलग कलर का है, तो हम उसको हैंड पिकिंग प्रोसेस से सेपरेट करते हैं. लेट्स सपोज कोई ऐसा मिक्सचर है जिसमें एक लाइटर है, दूसरा हेवियर है, जैसे ग्रेन में हस्क, तो वी सेपरेट इट बाय द विनोइंग प्रोसेस. अगर किसी मिक्सचर में मैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंस लाइक आयरन पिन या आयरन फिलिंग्स मिला हुआ है, सैंड में आयरन फिलिंग्स मिला हुआ है, तो वी सेपरेट इट बाय मैग्नेटिक सेपरेशन प्रोसेस. इफ एनी मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल इज mixed in the garbage like ferrous, cobalt, nickel, these are magnetic substances and that is attract towards the magnet. तो ऐसे कंपोनेंट्स को हम मैग्नेटिक सेपरेशन प्रोसेस से सेपरेट करते हैं. दूसरा, लिक्विड का मिक्सचर है और इमिसिबल लिक्विड है. लेट्स सपोज ऑयल इज मिक्सड इन वाटर and it is immiscible in the liquid water. So we will separate it by separating funnel process. If there is a device separating funnel, and we can separate it by the separating funnel process, and it shows the two distinct layers. While petrol and diesel, kerosene, if it is mixed in the water, that shows the two different layers. One is lighter and other is heavier. Water is heavier and water is heavier and oil is lighter. So oil will float on the water, it will show two distinct layers and it is separated by separating funnel. If two miscible liquid like alcohol and water is mixed and it has different boiling point, at least 25 degrees Celsius different boiling point, then it can be separated by distillation process. And if cream is separated from the milk से अगर हमें cream separate करना है तो we separate it by centrifugation process. It is a process in which the mixture is rotated with the high speed and the lighter particle that is collected at the center and the heavier particle that sets down at the bottom. And when we rotate it with the very high speed, that cream is separated at the center and we can separate out. So cream is separated from the milk by centrifugation process, that is also known as churning process. So today I stop my class. नेक्स्ट क्लास में फिर मैं इसे आगे बताऊँ.